In today's video, we're going to see how you can create Discord guild tags and subsequently create Discord guilds. Now, let's say you don't have the feature, you won't be able to make the Discord guild then, since Discord still has Discord guilds in a testing phase. But however, if you have a server you made since a while, then it definitely should have the guilds feature. So if you made a Discord server before the guilds feature was introduced, as you can see right here, you'll only be able to convert current servers to guilds. Now, how you create a guild and choose your guild tags, we'll go through that. Now, the first step would be choosing your game. So first of all, in your guild, you need to choose the game that your guild focuses on. This can also be changed later. So let's say you can choose Valorant, you can choose any other game, and after that, you'll go on the next step. The next step would be selecting your game playstyle. Now, after you select the game, these are the options of the guild playstyle they'll give you. Very casual, casual, competitive, and very competitive. So according to your server, you will choose which one applies to you. After that, the next step after pressing next would be defining your target audience. Now here you'll choose the target audience for your guild. You can choose specific tags which best define your server and best defines the target audience you're trying to get. These are all the options. As you can see, there are different server options, there are minimum age options, there are many other options as well, language options, and you can go through these and choose the options that best define your server. Now after that, you will be able to choose guild tags. So this is how you choose guild tags for your Discord guild. Now, these are all the guild tag options. You can also search guild tags, and you can of course choose multiple guild tags as well, but you will be able to choose at least 3 guild tags. So no less than 3, you can choose more than 3 as well. So as you can see right here, these are all the guild tag examples. There are anime, fan art, skincare. There are many other examples that you can check here as well. Now, after you've chosen your guild tags, just by selecting them, pressing on them, and then pressing next, you will choose your guild description. Now, in the guild description, you will just simply write a short 160 character limit definition for basically what your guild is. You will be defining your guild, what it's made for, what you're looking for, and this will show up. After you're done with that, you will press on next, and then you will be giving your guild a badge. These are all the badges that you can choose from, and you will be able to choose on one of them, and then you'll press on next. And then you can customize your guild. As you can see right here, you can change the guild color, you can change it according to your will, you can make it blue, you can change any other color. As you can see right here, it'll show the difference here by the overall theme of the guild. You can also choose the banner. There are many different banner options, and after that you will create an application process for prospective members who are willing to join your guild. Now this is the application process. Here you can add as many questions as you want. You can add custom questions. As you can see, it gives you the first question yourself. You can enter your own answer. They will enter the answer. You can add a question from here, and you can add a question and then make a proper guild. Then you'll press on next, and your guild will officially be formed. Now, as I said before, if you've made a server before the guild, and if you already currently have a good working server, you should have the guild option. But if the feature isn't available to you, Discord won't allow for now to make a guild. So you'll just have to wait until they officially make guilds something that is accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.